My brother stopped talking to me. I don't know why. I am Alex. My brother is Sam. We live together. Our apartment is small. It is quiet now. Too quiet. Every morning, I make coffee. I make 2 cups. I put 1 cup near his door. I knock softly. I walk away. Later, the cup is empty. It is in the sink. He washes it. That is our only contact. Before, it was different. Breakfast was loud. Sam talked a lot. He told funny stories. He laughed. I laughed with him. We shared the newspaper. We talked about our plans. Now the newspaper sits alone. I read it by myself. The silence is heavy. It started last month. A normal Tuesday. Sam came home from work. His face was closed. Like a book. He went to his room. He said, "I'm tired." That was the last thing he said to me. The next day, no good morning. Just a nod. The day after that, nothing. I tried to talk. I asked, "Sam, is everything okay?" He looked at me. His eyes were sad. Then he looked away. He walked to his room. The door closed softly. I think about it all the time. What did I do? Was it my joke last week? It was not a good joke. Did I eat his food? I don't think so. Did I say something wrong? I check my memories. I look for a reason. I find nothing. The not knowing is the worst part. The silence is a wall between us. I live on one side. He lives on the other. One Saturday, I see an old photo. It is on the fridge. We are children. We are at the beach. Sam is smiling. He has my soccer ball under his arm. We are both laughing. I look at the photo for a long time. I take the photo down. I find a small frame. I put the photo inside. That evening, I don't leave the coffee at his door. I wait. I sit on the sofa. He comes out for his coffee. He sees me. He stops. I hold up the framed photo. I don't say anything. I just hold it. He looks at it. His face changes. Just a little. He walks over. He takes the frame. He looks at the picture. He sits down. Not close, but in the same room. He doesn't talk. But he sits. We sit in the quiet together. It feels different now. Not so heavy. The next morning, I make 2 coffees. I bring them to the table. I sit down. A few minutes later, his door opens. He comes out. He looks at the table. He looks at me. He walks to the table. He sits down. He takes a slow drink of his coffee. He looks out the window. The sun is coming up. It is a new day.